In this session, we will introduce income elasticity of demand and cross-elasticity of demand. Suppose the economy is expanding and the people are enjoying rising incomes. You know that a change in income changes demand. So this increased prosperity brings an increase in the demand for most types of goods and services. By how much will a rise in income increase the demand for pizza? This question is answered by the income elasticity of demand. The income elasticity of demand measures how the quantity demanded of a good responds to a change in income, and other things remaining the same. The formula for calculating the income elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in income. Income elasticities of demand can be positive or negative, and they fall into three interesting ranges. If the income elasticity of demand is greater than 1, demand is income elastic, and the good is a normal good. If the income elasticity of demand is greater than 0 but less than 1, demand is income inelastic, and the good is a normal good. If the income elasticity of demand is less than 0, negative, the good is an inferior good. The burger shop next to your pizza has just raised the price of its burgers. You know that pizzas and burgers are substitutes. You also know that when the price of the substitute for pizza rises, the demand for pizza increases. But how big is the influence of the price of burgers on the demand for pizza? You also know that pizza and soft drinks are complements. And you know that if the price of a complement of pizza rises, the demand for pizza decreases. So you wonder, by how much will a rise in the price of a soft drink decrease the demand for your pizza? To answer this question, you need to know about the cross-elasticity of demand for pizza. The cross-elasticity of demand is a measure of the responsiveness of demand for a good to a change in the price of a substitute or a complement, other things remaining the same. The formula for calculating the cross-elasticity is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price of substitute or complement. The cross-elasticity of demand can be positive or negative. If the cross-elasticity of demand is positive, demand and the price of another good change in the same direction. So the two goods are substitutes. If the cross-elasticity of demand is negative, demand and the price of the other good change in opposite directions. So the two goods are complements. This figure shows the increase in the quantity of pizza demanded when the price of a burger, a substitute for pizza, rises. Because pizza and burgers are substitutes, when the price of a burger rises, the demand for pizza increases. The demand curve for pizza shifts rightwards from D0 to D1. Because a rise in the price of a burger brings an increase in the demand for pizza. The cross-elasticity of demand for pizza with respect to the price of a burger is positive. Both the price and the quantity change in the same direction. The figure also shows the decrease in the quantity of pizza demanded when the price of a soft drink accompanies pizza rises. A soft drink is a complement of pizza. When the price of a soft drink rises, the demand for pizza decreases, and the demand curve for pizza shifts leftwards from D0 to D2. The cross elasticity of demand is negative. This is the end of session 3.